dun sa isda. Dalagay mo muna to dun da. Sa washing. Ano mo naka-drain yun. Hindi ka pa isang taon eh. So guys, magsasampay muna tayo bago sampay naman tayo. Sunod, babalaan na natin to ng 2 beses. Tapos meron pa akong 3 salang. Siguro naggabi tapos na ako. Yeah. Siguro pang gabi I will done longer because I'm gonna hang this and then the 3 loads to and then this one I'm gonna wash it 2 times and then the 3 load I'm gonna wash it 3 times, so it will be 3, 6, 9 wash. Yeah. 9 wash of water and then another 3 loads, so 9 load, so it will be so the load will last for 2.5 hours and then after that I'm gonna 2 or 3 because wash in the washing. So I don't know when I'm gonna finish all of this because we have so many pa. So let's go. I'm gonna show you guys my laundry. Look, this is the the first, second, third. I have here, and I have there, and there. And this is me. What time is it? Give me that. Yeah, it's large. Hi guys. It's hang. First one na guys. Me fix the camera first. Okay. Reina. Then I'm gonna hang it there. See, thumbs? It's